What's up guys, in this video you are going to learn how to customize the WordPress Admin Dashboard. This is a really easy trick, but it's something that I couldn't figure out how to do for the longest time. So let me show you how to do that right now in your WordPress dashboard. After you've logged in to the WordPress admin, you're going to come right here to the dashboard. Now, by default, you'll probably see some different options like this. You can actually click on any of these to minimize the content that you're seeing. Now, to customize the dashboard, all you're going to do is click right up here in Screen Options. So if I click this drop down, I can choose what appears here in the dashboard. So if I want to see the new editor, if I want to see the welcome, quick draft, and then if there's a plugin that you have that allows you to see things on the dashboard, for example, the Yoast SEO plugin, then you can enable those plugins that you'll see right here. So I can turn on or off whatever I want to right here in the screen options. And then like you see, I can just click drop down arrows to see more details about those specific dashboard options. That's it guys, that's how easy it is to customize your WordPress admin dashboard. If you have any questions for me, leave a comment below this video. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed so you can get some more awesome tutorials for WordPress, for blogging, to learn how to build your online business. I'm Andy, you're watching Learn How. We'll see you in the next video.